Hey Cam, rather than just send you an email, I figured I'd run you through a quick demonstration here of Instacoins. So this is up and running on the publicly accessible web. This is being served through Heroku right now. Um, so I'll run you through the purchase process, and you can just see the state of Instacoins and how everything works here. So I'm just going to log in with a newly created account right here. I've upped my daily limit considerably, but you can see here we have location verification using HTML5 geolocation, and then also the capacity to do phone number validation via Twilio. This will also, both of these actions will work towards increasing your purchase limit. So if we go to the Buy Now page, I'll just do an example purchase here. I'll just make a small one of $5. And I'll just run you through the process really quickly. So $5.38 to be paid. I'll pull my screen over here to enter in my banking credentials really quickly. And now you can see I'll complete this $5 purchase. And so this is live on the Interac Online payment system. So this will actually debit my personal account and then send that to my merchant account. And so you can see here, it says, "Thank you for your purchase. We're now processing your transaction." So it says the transaction result is successful and that the status is processing. So if I hop over here, this is my admin account, and so this is why you have the additional tabs up here. I'm going to go over to the purchases here, and so you can see that this is the purchase that I just made here. And so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to approve this purchase here from the admin section. So the admin actually has the capacity to go through and manually approve or reject purposes. And there's also the ability to give the user the permission to allow them to have their transactions automatically processed and automatically withdrawn. But that is currently not enabled for this user, so they require the manual processing. So now if I come here, you're going to see that the status was complete. And so what we're going to have here is an ability to log into your wallet. So if we click to log into the wallet here, this is one thing that I have to touch up. They've decremented their legacy wallet, but it's still easy enough to go here. So you're going to put in your wallet ID here, and then we have the capacity to copy your password. Let me just double check that that worked. Yep. And then we're going to go here and log into blockchain. So this was actually a really nice feature where we're going to create the wallet on the fly for you and then give you the password after. So you can see here I am. This is a freshly created wallet that only I have access to. And you can see that we have 363. That's a little bit less than we bargained for, but it's because we need to go. This is actually in US dollars. So we can go over here and hopefully find the Canadian dollar. And so you're going to see it's $4.90. So we're actually taking about a 10% fee right now. If you remember, it was charged about $5.38. And that's how it works from this point. The user would be, it would recommend that they change their wallet, probably enter in some 2-pass verification. This is already going to be associated with the user's email, so I do believe that they have the capacity to... Okay, right, so here they have backup recovery phase. So this is actually pretty nice. You know, once they have this purchase, their wallet is created, and this is one of the best web wallets available. And to run you through, so that's the purchase flow. Well, I think it's really, really slick, really easy. Um, I think that's about as quick as you can set it up for getting Bitcoin. This is not anything special done with this account. Anyone would be able to uh, log in right now. I think the limit's set at 250 by default, but any Canadian could log in and make a 250 purchase with the existing setup. So everything is live, everything is working, including the verifications. And so just really quickly on the technology side, so we actually have an Angular front end that's consuming a RESTful API exposed through Node.js and Express. So if you see, we just got a basic Express app set up. Socket.io is configured. We're running using Babel 6, which is going to give us, let me see if I can find a good example, give us the ability to use async await and all the latest ECMAScript standard technologies. We've got a basic Express middleware stack here for using Passport for authorization, for example, and then using Mongo. Well, this is the Mongo store here, but we're set up using Mongo DB, and like I said, let's take a look at the routes here. It's basic RESTful API, and then you can see here basic REST, and it's, like I said, we're using Passport for authentication. Yeah, that's Instacoins. It's up and running. It's ready to go. I've actually had people reach out that were interested in funding it. Not something that I was really on my mind lately. I've been really busy working with Autolotto, but you wanted to see it, and I figured I would show you. Yeah, everything's working. This thing is ready to go. So yeah, that's the demonstration. I hope that's a bit better of a where's the state of the tech, etc., than just a simple email. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and chat with you soon. Talk to you soon. Cheers.